How to fix verification failed. This Apple ID is not active. Let's get started. If you encounter the error, verification failed, this Apple ID is not active. It typically means your Apple ID has been deactivated or is unrecognized by Apple. First, visit the Apple ID website and attempt to sign in. If your account is inactive, contact Apple support through their support page to request assistance, as they may require verification details to reactivate your account. Double-check your Apple ID and password for any typos, and if necessary, reset your password through iforgot.apple.com. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as a weak connection can sometimes trigger this error. You can also try signing out of your Apple ID under Settings, Your Name, Sign Out, restarting your device, and then signing back in. Check your email for any account-related messages from Apple, which might provide instructions if your account was disabled for security reasons. Additionally, updating your iPhone to the latest iOS version via Settings, General Software Update may resolve compatibility issues. If your Apple ID was disabled for terms violations, you'll need to appeal directly to Apple support. Following these steps should help resolve the issue and reactivate your Apple ID. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.